Hello students of class 9. In this video, I will give some important broad question for your upcoming second unit test examination. But beforehand, first check your syllabus once. So first chapter is weathering, then geomorphic processes and landforms, determination of location of a place on the earth's surface, and resources of India. This chapter includes map pointing also. And the next I will discuss the question pattern. You will get 5 marks map pointing where you will have to do 10 map pointing, that is half marks each. Then 5 marks MCQ. Then answer in short. Answer in short means 2 into 3 equal to 6. Then write short note in 3, 2 into 3 equal to 6. Next is justify your answer. You have to attempt 2, that is 4 marks each. And there is broad question, that is 10 marks each 2, that is 2 into 10, 20 marks. And in that 10 marks you will get part marking, that is 5 plus 3 plus 2, 4 plus 4 plus 2. This type of part marking you will get. Okay, now in this video let's do some important broad question. So first of all, the formation of fold mountain that we had already done, very important. Formation of fold mountain in light of plate tectonic theory. If you get this question, what you have to write? First of all, the definition of fold mountain, its formation, and how does the fold mountain form in reference to the plate tectonic theory. Important question, and where you have to give the diagram that is already given. Next, significance of ideal, that is international deadline, why it is not a straight line. Importance, what is ideal, importance of ideal, and why it is not straight. Why it is not straight? To avoid the land masses, ideal is not a straight line. Next, number 3 question is discuss biological weathering. Biological weathering means the weathering that done by organic processes, that is by the action of plants and animals. Both the plants and animals are responsible for biological weathering, and here you have to write plants part and animals part and one diagram, that is that leaf diagram, that one. Discuss the processes of physical and chemical weathering. Physical and chemical weathering, either you will get physical weathering or you will get chemical weathering. So first of all, what you have to write? Definition. If you get physical weathering, the definition of physical weathering, the processes are as follows. If you get the chemical weathering, then what is chemical weathering? The processes are as follows. In case of physical weathering, what are the processes? You know, exfoliation, block disintegration, granular disintegration, frost action, all you have to discuss and with diagram. And if you get the chemical weathering process, you have to write oxidation, reduction, hydration, hydrolysis, all this explanation along with equation. Here equation is must in case of chemical weathering. Next, state the importance of non-conventional energy. Why non-conventional energy is needed? This is also for broad question. For broad question, for any type of broad question, 5 marks or 4 marks, introduction is compulsory. So here you will write what is the definition of non-conventional sources of energy, example solar energy, wind energy, etc., and why they are important. Point wise you have to mention the reasons. Now, differences between parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. In column wise, parallels of latitude, meridians of longitude. Okay, parallels of latitude, meridians of longitude. Suppose 5 points, 5 marks, you will get 5 points or 6 points and one diagram. Parallels of latitude diagram, meridians of longitude diagram in both the columns. Next is the formation of block mountain and volcanic mountain with diagram and example. Suppose block mountain formation. Definition, formation, example, diagram. Definition, what is the definition of block mountain? Formation, how formed, example and diagram. Similarly, volcanic mountain, definition, formation, example, diagram. Next, condition for the formation of deltaic plain. Deltaic plains formation, that is, what are the reasons behind the formation of deltaic plain, causes of formation, along with definition of deltaic plain. Discuss the important parallels of latitude with diagram. Important parallels of latitude, do you know? Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, and poles. These are the important parallels of latitudes. Discussion along with a walled means circle, round, and the lines showing the important parallels of latitudes. Next, classify plateau and discuss each, that is intermountain plateau, dissected plateau, continental plateau, lava plateau. Definition, formation, example. Okay. Next, differences between volcanic mountain and residual mountain, properly given in your book column wise. Right. 5 marks means 6 points. Differences between fold and block mountain, same, column wise. Fold, block, 5 marks means 6 points. Next, classification of resources on the basis of availability and frequency of occurrence. These are the two bases. First basis, availability, and second basis is frequency of occurrence. And next point is the factors needed for hydropower generation. This is also very important question from resource chapter. What are the factors? That is, gentle slope, then huge amount of rainfall is needed, the area should be mud free. Okay, and these are the factors. So again I am repeating, for before writing any broad question, either it is justified or broad question of 5 marks, you have to give introduction, diagram, example, equation where needed. Okay, I think you are preparing well for your examination. Syllabus also given, question pattern given. These are all important broad question for your exam. In another video, in next video, I will give some important SAQ for your examination. Thank you and work hard for your examination.